This is part 2 of the trading of the Fidget trading hub. Well, it's day 2. Time to go in. Oh, okay. Guess not. Oh, here is my ticket.
Thank you.
Oh, look, my fidgets are still here from last time. Guys, my baby brother, he's a bit active today, and he's very crazy. So, sorry if you, hear him or see him in the video. He's just acting very crazy. He's so cute. But let's get back into the video. Oh, guys, look, my fidgets are still here when I trade from the last time. What would you trade for, hi, it's the same girl. But what would you trade for this color changing, oh my gosh, this color changing pillow? Guys, I'll cut off the light so you can see how it color changes. So guys, the light don't want to cut off, but so if you look closely, you'll see it can color change. It don't want to color change though. Wait, 1 second, guys. So guys, this is silver, and the next side is black. But what would you trade for this color changing pillow?
I would trade it for this nice and soft.
Oh, and this is my dream plushie. Okay, yeah, I'll accept.
Okay.
Thanks you so much. Oh my gosh, this killer whale is so comfy. My last fidget of the day. What would you trade for this? And it also color changes.
You know what? You made me have a little bit of fidgets. I only have 3 fidgets, so I'm going to trade you for a hard one, so you give me 2 fidgets.
I'm not giving her anything, guys.
This for $300 is the same.
It doesn't matter how much it costs. Daniel Tiger was literally in the 1980s, so you better accept this, because he was all the way in the 1980s. Thanks.
Give me that. You gotta trade me something.
You know what? I'll decline, because you are being so rude and mean.
Plus fine.
They were from the 1980s.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Whatever. It's fine.
But guys,
It's
she literally give me AirPods and it don't have, oh my gosh. It literally don't have the, oh my gosh. She's so irresponsible. Actually, you could get your earbuds back. And I'm getting my charger back. With all this air juice being on that. I'm going to throw this away. So I'm going to throw it away. Gonna garbage. It's in the garbage, hopefully. But then I can't believe that was a very successful trade. So bye guys. See, comment down below if you want me to do a next fidget trading video. Bye. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you the faces of the rest of the people who also remained in this video. So this is my sister. Yeah. And this is my crazy brother, JJ. And this is me. Of course you saw my face because I was talking about my baby brother. So, bye guys. See you next time.